Let's understand the concepts that are involved in pricing and valuation of derivative securities. Okay, so for risky assets, the current value is estimated by discounted present value of the expected future price. Okay, so here the discount for because it is a the future is always uncertain and carries risk with itself, hence the discount rate involves or gets along the risk free rate and the risk premium along with it. So apart from these costs, also there are few other costs like insurance cost, storage cost, and also one more important cost is the opportunity cost also. Okay, but for financial assets, these costs are insignificant. And for every asset, for holding any asset, there is a monetary and non-monetary benefit. Monetary benefit example, when we are holding any bond, we are getting interest, and when we are holding any stock, we are getting dividend. Okay, and non-monetary benefit are difficult to measure. They are otherwise called as convenience yield. Okay, and they are applicable for commodities. And like example is any the owner of any asset, he gets the benefit when he or she looks at the art. Okay, so that is example of convenience yield or non monetary benefit. When any when any asset is held, then it gets along the benefit. There is some benefit to hold the asset, and also there is a cost to hold the asset, which is called as the carry cost of carry. Okay, and the formula to calculate the present value, the present value of carrying the asset, is calculated as S0. S0 is the current value of, or the spot price of the asset. It is calculated as EST, that is expected value of the asset at time t. EST divided by 1 plus risk free rate plus risk premium whole to the power time period t, plus present value of benefits of holding the asset minus present value of cost of holding the asset. So this formula gets us the spot price of the asset. Okay, some assets are, or some investors are risk averse. Okay, so they take a so they, for them there is a risk premium, okay, or positive return. And some investors are risk neutral, that is they for them there is no risk premium, rather it will be the future will be the future price will be discounted at risk free rate. Okay, and this is one the formula that we discussed is one method of calculating the present value of holding any risky asset. Another method is no arbitrage condition. What is arbitrage? Arbitrage is like when any when any investor, or when a person buys any asset or a portfolio of asset at a particular price, and simultaneously sells the asset or portfolio of assets at a higher price. Okay, so that means instantly the investor is getting the benefit, but these conditions are very rare. Okay, and these conditions are very rare, hence there is the no arbitrage condition, where the current value will be where the current value of the asset will be calculated, who will be having where the asset will be having the same future payoffs. Okay, so this is about the, these are the concepts that are involved uh, in a pricing and valuation of derivatives. That is about it for today's session. Thank you very much.